Jesus freak here. And when I went out to the store to buy this, I impulse bought this. Said I need 4 double A's. 4 double A's. And there's Furball rolling around behind me. Angel. She's nosing around. I got her a Slim Jim. But she's still eyeing around to see if there's anything else for her in there. This is just a nostalgia bomb, you know. Don't mean nothing. And from the looks of things, it's probably just one of those little NOAC things. All right. Now, if I understand this, if this is a NOAC thing, the Nintendo port was done by Namco themselves in '85. Didn't come out here until '88, though. There's a power switch here. There's a sticker over the top. Ah, the coin slot's the power switch. Yep. Looks like it's a NOAC, but they patched the ROM to be just one player. It's Galaga. I'm trying to hold this in a way that it's visible on camera. But yeah, it's exactly what it claims to be. Looks like if you really wanted, you could run it off USB port too, but you lose most of the point. They get the art on the side. Now, you know, it's a generic design. That's why it has the 4-way rocker switch here, where the real thing, of course, only had a 2-way control. Anyway, it was just something I figured, you know, they got it, why not? Jesus freak out.